Hey guys, now you can take notes directly from the Google Assistant in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 like this. Take a note that subscribe to Addicted Blogging and make your life easier. The note is saved. So where we can get the note? You can directly get the note in the Google Keep. So this is the note, and not only that, the note will be synced to your phone and it will be available on your phone also automatically. Hey guys, back with another video from my Addicted Blogging channel. So in this video I will be discussing how you can take quick notes on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Not only take quick notes but also take the notes from the Google Assistant and also sync the notes across all of your devices from the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 so that you can get the notes at your fingertips at any point of time. So as always, this video will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to say, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 has been a great watch, and to take the notes you need to download one app, and the app name is Google Keep. So this is the note taking app we will be using. So for downloading this you need to just type in Google Keep in here, and once you have typed in you will be seeing the app will be there, Google Keep. You just need to install the app. So once you have installed this, you need to open the app, and your app will ask some permission to sync the notes for all of your devices. So if you have used the Google Keep before, the notes will be synced on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 automatically. Not only that, you can now use the Google Assistant to get the notes directly updated in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So Google Assistant has been recently added in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and this Google Assistant will help you to take notes directly by your voice, and also you can recover the notes directly by your voice also. So if I ask the Google Assistant, show me the recent notes, so you will be seeing that the note has been recovered instantly by Google Assistant. So this is the magic we are living in the 2050, not in 2022 for sure, and definitely this is what we are looking for to make our life easier. So now the question is how you can configure the Google Notes with your Google Assistant, because if you are using your Google Assistant and telling the Google Assistant to take notes, it will not work directly. So for this you need to come to the Google Assistant app on your phone and come to the settings option. In the settings option you will be getting a lot of options. From there you have to select the option of Google Assistant. So once you have selected the option of Google Assistant, you have to come down and you will get the option of Notes and List. So Notes and List is the option where you need to click on, and once you click there you will be getting an option to make Google Keep as the default note taking app. So you have to click on Google Keep here and select your notes and list provider as Google Keep from this option. So if you have your Google Keep installed on your phone, you have to select this. If you don't have, first install the app on your phone obviously, and once you have done this, the Google Assistant will be able to take notes directly by your voice, which is a great option, and the notes will be synced directly to the Google Keep on your phone also. So if I open the Google Keep on your phone, you will see all the notes has been synced on the Google Keep of my phone which I am taking, and also on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So if I take a note from my phone also, that will also be synced on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, which is really great. That is the power of ecosystem, and we will be able to access the notes across all of the devices which has the Android ecosystem into it. So I just wanted to tell you guys that it is possible, and it is also possible to recover the notes via the Google Assistant in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. And after taking the notes, you can also do some of the functions, like you can add reminder, you can pin, or you can archive. So adding reminder will remind you about the note if it is an important one, so it will remind you that you have to do something, so you can use that as a reminder also. And also you can pin, so the most important notes will be showing on the top of the Google Keep. You can do that. And archive means you can just hide the note and bring it back from the archive folders at a later point of time. So a lot of options you are getting to take notes in the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 via the Google Keep, and the Google Keep works flawlessly in this watch. So that's it guys, I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.